Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create countdown timer for New Year Eve. So this is not only specifically for the New Year, but as New Year is closer, so that is why I have a plan to make this video. So to Bolt.new, I'm just going to mention create visually appealing countdown timer for New Year's Eve. And after that I'm going to hit enter, and here I'm more interested in what kind of output this Bolt.new creates. On the left hand side, as who are familiar with my channel know, on the left hand side of Bolt.new there is this chat window and the description of the application which Bolt.new is creating. We can go through that. On the right hand side we can see the actual code, and after in terminal it starts npm start command and the code gets compiled successfully. We should be good to see the output of the application. So right now from the terminal we can see it is running successfully, and you can see within just 1 minute it has created beautiful website where it mentioned New Year countdown to 2025, and all the in squares we can see days, hours, minutes and seconds. So let's do one thing. If you think this is not enough, then we can further personalize it. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to add one prompt as add Quick Code Academy as company name, and I just have to personalize it, and I will also mention that make it more visually appealing, okay, in the chat prompt. So even if you don't like anything with the output of Bolt.new has provided to you, you can further add on things and make it look much better and as per your need. Okay, so here I have entered the prompt. Now let's see where it adds the company. Ideally I'm expecting it to on the top left corner, where it will suggest the brand name, which is Quick Code Academy, which is our channel. I usually make videos on various type of stuff like front-end development, and as this AI is also around the corner, so I am also making videos on AI. So that brand name is there, and let's see what it adds on its own. Also you can go through the files till the time the output is getting generated, and you can see what steps are implemented where the actual code is written, so that after downloading it into your local you can make further changes and add your own text or whatever widgets that you have. Now the output has been generated, so I'm going to maximize this window, and let's see the intelligence of a Bolt.new tool. Okay, so here you can see it has automatically added the company name, which is Quick Code Academy, with the appropriate logo. Also we have New Year countdown that is persistent, but you can see the below section where it is actually mentioning get ready to embark your coding journey with Quick Code Academy in New Year. So that that tool has added on its own. So that is also amazing thing, that the capability of AI tools is amazing, that it able to generate meaning from the company name and added the subtext on its own. And this is not specifically just for the New Year countdown. So let's say you have some event coming up, any college event, company event coming up, at that time also you can replace this New Year countdown and date with your own countdown and own text, and you can create full-fledged application out of it. If you want to download this code, you can use this export functionality to download, and if you want to deploy, you can click on deploy to deploy this application, so that you would get one unique link which you can share with your family members or friends to whom you want to show this video. So that's it for this video. So this was very quick video, completely unedited, just to show you the capability of AI. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you everyone.